Hey, hello and welcome to all my dear students. Today let us discuss about area of circle. The formula for area of circle, the whole area of a circle is pi r square. The formula for area of circle is pi r square, this whole area pi r square. And if you are just talking about the outer covering, for other figures, we call it as sum of the sides, which is perimeter. For circle, just the outer coverings measurement is called as circumference. And we have learnt the formula of circumference as 2 pi r. So, circumference formula is 2 pi r, length of the outer circle, and the area of circle formula is pi r square. Radius of circle will be given. If the radius is given, we can find out the area. Or if area is given, we can find out the radius. Let us start with practice at 15.6. Practice at 15.6 says that radii of circles are given below. Radius is given. Find their area. So radius is given. We will find the area. Let's start with the first sum. Practice set 15.6, first sum. Write down radius of circle. Radius of circle. I will do the second sum. First sum, after going through this sum, you can do the first sum. I'll do the second sum. Now this is the second question. Radius of the circle is equal to r is given as 10.5 centimeter. Question is find out the area. So therefore area is equal to pi r square. Pi is an irrational number. The value of pi, if it is not given in the question, you will always take it as 22 upon 7 into radius is given as 10.5. Square means 10.5 into 10.5. 2 times you will multiply. Yeah, 10.5 and 7 we can cancel. 7 ones are. This will be 7 ones are 7. 3 remains. 0.35 means 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now let us multiply. Multiply these numbers and get the answer. 10.5 into 1.5. 5 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 0 0 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 0 and 1. 5 7 5 1. Decimal point 15.75. Multiply by 22. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 14 15, carry 1. 10 11, carry 1. 2 ones are 2 3 0. Same way you will write. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 14 15, carry 1. 10 11 and 3. 0 5 6 4 3. Put the decimal point. So we are getting the area as 346.50. 346.50 square centimeter is the area of circle is equal to 346.50 centimeter square. Okay, final answer. Similarly, you will solve the remaining sums. Let's solve the third sum. Similar way, you solve it and check from me. Radius of circle is given as 17.5 centimeter. Again, we have to find the area. Therefore, area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 upon 7, pi's value, into r is 17.5. R square means we'll multiply it twice. 17.5 into 17.5. Now we can divide 7 and 17.5. 7 2s are 14. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3.5 means 35. 7 5s are 35. So we got 17.5 into 2.5 will multiply. That multiply by 22. Calculation you do. So I got 17.5 into 2.5. I got 73.75. 43.75. That multiply by 22. Now how will we multiply this? 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 7 2s are 14, plus 1, 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 7 and 4 2s are 8. Now again we are multiplying by 2 only. Okay. So these digits we will copy as it is. After putting 0, copy the digits as it is. 0, 5, 7, 8. So 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1. 8 and 8 is 16, carry 1. So we got 962, decimal point we'll put here. 962.50. 962.50 square centimeter. Radius is given in centimeter. Similarly, write the final answer. Area of circle is 962.50 square centimeter. Now in the next set of questions, they have given us the area and they are asking us to find out the diameter. Okay. So if you get the radius, multiply by 2 will give you the diameter. Second set of sums, areas of circle is given. They are asking us to find out the diameter. See the question given in the textbook. Areas of some circles are given below. Find their diameter. If you get radius, that multiply by 2 will give you diameter. Diameter is twice the radius. Now this 176 is the first area. Second area is 394.24 and the third one is this. I'll do the second and the third sum because those are little big numbers, whereas this is a small number. This you can get it easily once you go through the second and the third sum. So these two sums we will solve. Write the first step as area of circle. So I'll write down the first step as area of circle. Second one I am doing. Number 2. Area of circle is given as 394.24 square centimeter. Square centimeter. And the question is find diameter. Diameter is equal to how much? Let us write the formula for area of circle. Area is equal to circle I have written in the first step. No need to write again and again. Area formula is pi r square. How much is area? That value you write. 394.24 is equal to pi's value is 22 upon 7 into r we don't know. So r square will remain as it is. Now this 7 will go up. It will become multiplication and 22 will come as division. Therefore 394.24 into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. 22 and this number, both the numbers are going in 11's table. Let's divide this. 11 3s are 33. 9 minus 3 is 6. 64 we got. 11 5s are 55. Okay. If you can't divide in your mind, you can divide it here in the working column and check. That is 394.24 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33. 9 minus 3 is 6 and 4. 11 5s are 55. As I told. 14 minus 5 is 9 and next is decimal point. So, you will put the decimal point. Bring 2 down. 11 8s are 88. 12 minus 8 is 4 and this 4 will come down. So, 11 4s are 44. Okay. So, we got 35.84. 35.84 and 11 2s are 22. Now again we can divide these two numbers. 2 1s are 2 2, 2 7s are 14, decimal point. 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Now these two 17.92 into 7 is equal to r square. So therefore, r square is equal to, multiply this, 17.92 into 7. 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 9 7s are 63 plus 1, 64, carry 6. 7 7s are 49 plus 6 will be 55, carry 5. 7s are 7 and 12. Put the decimal point, 125.44 we got. 125.44. Please, you also do the calculation, children. I may go wrong. So, r square is 125.44. So, therefore, how much is r? Square root of 125.44. In the previous period also, some students, they asked me how to find out square root of bigger number by division method. I had explained in the previous video. Once again, let me explain. We want to find square root of 125.44. So, here this is a decimal number. Pay attention. So, I'll write 125.44 and I'll draw the division table. Okay. This is the table that you have to draw. Now, from the decimal point, you will go left and right. And two digits in one group we take, no? So, from the decimal point, go to right. These two will come in one group. Left, these two will be in the first group. And in this group, only one digit. That is 1. Now, we will start with a calculation. That is, the first number is 1. Which number square you will get 1? 1 only, no? 1 into 1 is 1. So, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Here plus and here minus. 1 plus 1 is 2. Leave space here. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, you will bring the next group down. That is 25. Now, with 2, which number multiply by the same number? You should get this as the answer or less than that. So, with 2, if you take, let me take 2, multiply by 2. So, what will be the answer? 44. Very bigger number. So, best is take 1. With 2, 1, multiply by 1. 21 into 1, 21. Okay, this we can take. With 2, you are getting a bigger number. So, we are going for 1. 1 here, 1 there, again 1. And 21 into 1, you got 21. That you will write here, minus. Now, this will be 22. Leave space here. Subtraction. 5 minus 1, 4. Now, next is decimal point. Put it up. And bring the next pair down. The pair full. That is 44 will come down. Now, we have 22. Along with 22, we need one more number. Multiply by that number, you should get this. Very easy. We will go for 2 only, obviously. So, you have 22. Along with 22, we will take 2. Multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2, yes, exactly same number we got. So, it is the correct digit. 2 here, 2 here, 2 up. Here plus 2 2 2 into 2. Whatever we got, that we will write here. 4 4 4. Here minus. So, you are getting 224 and here you are getting 0. And what is the answer? 11.2. So, what is square root of 125.44? R is equal to 11.2. Unit is centimeter. So, if you got radius as 11.2 centimeter, therefore diameter will be, diameter is equal to 2 into radius, which is equal to 2 into 11.2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and the decimal point centimeter. So, for this sum you got the diameter as 22.4 centimeter. Highlight your answer. Isn't it easy? Little bit calculation, but very easy numbers we are getting. Go through the division method, pause the video, restart and learn the division method. Very easy method to get the square root of bigger numbers. Okay, children, moving on to the next sum. Third question in that form is, area is given as area of circle. Area of circle is equal to 12474 square centimeter. Area of circle is given as 12474 square centimeter. Again the question is find diameter. Use the same method. You will write the formula. Area is equal to pi r square. Below area write the value 12474 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. 12474 into 7. 7 will go up. 22 will come down is equal to r square. Again these two numbers will go in 11's table. 11 ones are 11. Okay, 1 and 4. Again 11 ones are 11. So 3 and 7. 3's are 33. 4 and 4. 4's are 11. 2's are. If you can't divide in your mind, please do the working column. Use the working column. Now this goes in 2's table. 2 1's are 2 5's are 10. 2 6's are 12 and 2 7's are 14. So therefore r square is equal to 567 into 7. 567 into 7 is 7 7's are 49 carry 4. 7 6's are 42. 42 plus 4 46 carry 4. 7 5's are 35. 35 plus 4 39. 3969 we got. 3969. So what will be our root of 3969? If you don't know the square root, use the division method. Division method is this way. 3969 will write. Here this is not a decimal number, so directly from the end we will make group. So first group is 39. Square of which number will give you 39 or less than that? 6 6 are 36. No? 6 6 6 36. Here plus, here minus. This is 12. 9 minus 6 is 3. This whole group will come down now. With 12, which number will give you this? Let us go for 3. 3 3's are 9. 3 2's are 6. 3 1's are 3. Same number you're getting. So the digit is 3 here. 3 up. 3 down. Plus minus 369. 126 here and 0. So the answer is 63. So therefore you got r is equal to 63 centimeter. Therefore diameter will be 2 times the radius. Diameter is equal to 2r, which is equal to 2 into 63, which is equal to 2 3's are 6, 6 2's are 12 centimeter. So diameter you got 126 centimeter. Such a lovely sum. Calculation also explained clearly. Children, go through the calculation and such sums can come for your exam. Okay. Now moving on to the next question where we have a word problem. As you can see, diameter of a circular garden is 42 meter. Circular garden, its diameter is given. Radius will be half of diameter. Now there is a 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. So this is the garden, okay, and there is a 3.5 meter wide road. This is 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. So you will draw a circle around the garden. So we have a circle here because it is around the garden. Find the area of the road. So they are asking us to find the area of this portion, this ring portion. How will we get that area of the road? This is the road, no? This inner one is garden. So area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Smaller circle is garden. Will give you area of the road. Fine. Let us see the sum in detail. See children, I have taken two circles. This is garden. Around the garden we have a road, 3.5 meter road around it. So this full, here also the width is 3.5. Here also it is 3.5. Okay, meter. This is road. They are asking us to find the area of this road. An area of this road we will get once we subtract the bigger circle's area minus smaller circle. From the bigger circle, if you remove the smaller circle, what you get is the road only. Now, we need the radius to find out the area. What do you know about the garden? They have given the diameter of the circular garden is 42. Suppose if this is the center, diameter means the segment passing through the center. Diameter is given as 42 meter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be half of 42, 21. So with the radius we can get the area of this garden. Now let us look at the bigger circle. This much is 21. Now half of 42 is 21. Talking about the bigger circle, you will have to add this 3.5 also along with that. Then only you will get the radius of the bigger circle. 21 plus 3.5. That is 24.5. So if you add this, you will get the radius of the bigger circle. Once you get radius, you can find out area of the bigger circle. Then last is to subtract. So let's start. Sum number 3. Let us write. Diameter is given. Diameter of garden is equal to 42 meter. Therefore, its radius of the garden, radius is equal to 42 upon 2, 21 meter. So now we will take smaller circle and bigger circle. Garden's radius means it is smaller circle. So we'll write therefore radius of smaller circle is equal to 21 meter. Therefore, area of smaller circle will be, what is the formula of area? Pi r square. So, pi r square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7, 3s are 22 into 3 is 66. 21 into 66. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. I told you, the next number is also 6. Put 0 and copy this number as it is. 6, 2, 1. 8, 3, 1. 1386 square meter. This is area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle. Highlight. Once you get area of smaller circle, you will find out the area of bigger circle. For that, we need the radius of bigger circle. Understanding, no children? This is the garden. Garden's radius we got 21. Then we have a 3.5 meter wide road. So this is 3.5. This will be added. So 21 plus 3.5 will be the radius of the bigger circle. So we will write radius of bigger circle is equal to 21 plus 3.5, which is equal to 24.5 meter. Therefore, area of bigger circle will be pi r square. I am using capital R, bigger circle, so capital R, which is equal to 22 upon 7, pi's value. R we got 24.5 into 24.5. Please divide 7 and 24.5. We can divide it. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Then 3.5 will get 7 fives are 35. Multiply all the numbers. 24.5 into 3.5. So I got 85.75. Multiply by 22. Multiply by 22. 5 twos are 10, carry 1. 14, 15, carry 1. 10, 11, carry 1. 16, 17. Put 0 and copy the numbers as it is. 0, 5, 1, 7, 1. 0, 5, 1, 7, 1. Add 0, 5, 6, 8, 8, 1. Put the 1886.50. 1886.50 square meter. We got area of bigger circle. Area of bigger circle. We got this much. Area of bigger circle we got 1886.50 square meter. Now, therefore, area of road will be, what will be area of road? This is the road. Area of big circle minus area of small circle. Area of big circle minus area of small circle. Subtract. Big circle we got 1886.50 minus smaller circle we got 1386. So 0.50 will remain as it is. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much you are getting? Area of the road you are getting it as 500.50 square meter. Got the answer? Write the final answer. Area of road is 500.50 square meter. Final answer. Okay, children. So hope you understood the steps very well. These sums, if they come, it will always be for 4 to 5 marks. Go through each and every step clearly with the calculation I have explained. Hope you also will do the calculation and check your answers from me. The last sum of this practice set, as I always do, I ask you to do it on your own. I'll explain you how to get it. Find the area of circle if its circumference is 88 centimeter. Circumference is given. To find area, we need radius. From where will we get radius? From circumference. So first step you will write circumference of the circle. Circumference of circle. Circumference of the circle. C, no? C for circumference is equal to 88 centimeter. Sum number 4. We want radius. Use the formula for circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Circumference means just the measure, the length of the covering, the outer covering of the circle. It's not related to area, just the outer covering. But r is there in the formula. Circumference is 88. Below C, write 88 is equal to 2 into pi's value is 22 upon 7. R we don't know. Take 7 to this side. 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22 will give you R. So 22 ones are 22 fours are 88. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you got R is equal to 7 twos are 14 unit centimeter. Once you get R, can you get the area? So simple. R is 14, so therefore area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into r is 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 multiplied by 14. 4 fours are 16, carry 1, 16, 17, 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 616. See, I told you to do it on your own and I am only solving it. Children, very easy. And do you know, this sum has come for your 10th standard board exam for 2 marks. Okay. So, it's a important question. Circumference will be given. From circumference you will get radius. From radius you will get area. And write the final answer, neat and clear. Area of circle is 616 square centimeter. Okay. Now the next chapter, that is volume and surface area, is cancelled for you. Okay, for this term we are cancelling it, surface area and volume. We will be starting with the next chapter, circle, in the next class.